Welcome to the Getting Started video for Store and Track Basic. The Store and Track Basic is a simplified inventory management system that is designed to help you take control and manage your inventory effectively. Let's get started with an overview of the system. Access your Store and Track Basic account via the link that was sent to your email account. Log in with your user ID and password. You can display your company logo, customize your profile, manage your settings, and view your activities in real time. Head over to the left menu when you need to perform your inventory transactions. Once you're done with the transactions, you can view your inventory-related reports. The dashboard gives you a quick look at how your products are performing. You can view the data weekly, monthly, or annually. You can select the number of products to view each time. If you have uploaded the catalog images, you can also enable the images to be displayed on your dashboard. If you need assistance to set up your data or to perform the transactions, simply click on the help icon to access the tutorial videos. Now that you have seen an overview of the system, you're ready to get started. Move on to the next video to learn how to set up your account. Thank you for watching.